Are you noticing your skin getting thinner and more fragile? This One Pantry Oil can restore your skin's elasticity. Watch as we reveal how this simple solution works wonders. See a visible difference in your skin in 7 days. Stop the thinning and start your journey to healthier skin. Before we dive in, subscribe for more natural health tips. Join our community to discover the best ways to heal naturally. Aging makes our skin lose its natural strength and thickness. Your skin becomes thin like tissue paper as collagen levels drop. Many people struggle with easy bruising and visible fine lines today. The primary cause is a decrease in essential fatty acids. Most expensive store creams often lack these vital organic nutrients. Harvard research shows that natural oils penetrate the skin deeply. Look at the back of your hand right now. Does the skin look translucent or stay peaked when pinched? Healthy skin needs a strong barrier to hold vital moisture. This One Pantry Oil mimics your body's natural sebum production. It provides the building blocks for creating new skin cells. One specific oil stands out for its high vitamin E content. Vitamin E acts as a powerful shield against daily damage. PubMed studies confirm that antioxidants can reverse skin aging signs. You can find this powerful remedy in your kitchen cabinet. It costs only pennies per application compared to designer serums. Your skin will drink up this liquid gold almost instantly. Applying it daily builds back the density you once had. Consistency is the secret to seeing those firming results fast. But wait until you see why expensive creams often fail. The truth about most beauty products might actually surprise you. Most commercial moisturizers are actually mostly made of plain water. The water evaporates quickly and leaves your skin feeling very dry. Synthetic chemicals can further weaken an already fragile skin barrier. This is why your expensive lotions often provide zero results. The oil we are discussing is pure, cold-pressed olive oil. Olive oil contains squalene, which matches your skin's natural chemistry. It delivers intense hydration without clogging your pores at all. NIH studies show that polyphenols in olive oil reduce inflammation. Take a deep breath and relax your facial muscles. Inflammation is a silent thief that steals your skin's glow. When you reduce redness, your skin appears much thicker today. Rich fatty acids help to repair the underlying dermal structure. This process restores the bounce and snap your skin needs. Advanced booster tip. Mix a drop of honey with the oil. Honey acts as a humectant to lock in double the moisture. Apply this mixture right after your warm morning shower ends. Damp skin absorbs the nutrients much faster than dry skin. You will feel a silky texture almost immediately after applying. Your skin starts to look more plump and very vibrant. But don't assume that all oils work the same way. Some common kitchen oils might actually cause more harm than good. Many people mistakenly use heavy vegetable oils on their delicate skin. Processed oils can cause breakouts and lead to unwanted skin irritation. Pure olive oil remains the gold standard for restoring thin skin. It supports the delicate lipid layer that protects your inner health. This layer keeps toxins out while keeping precious hydration locked inside. A strong barrier is the first defense against environmental skin damage. Regular use helps to smooth out those stubborn, crepey skin textures. Imagine your skin feeling as soft as fine silk. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable in your own body. Clinical data suggests that topical application improves overall skin thickness. The oleic acid in the oil promotes faster cell turnover rates. Newer cells mean a fresher and much more youthful appearance today. Try applying the oil using gentle, upward circular massage motions. Massaging increases blood flow to the surface of your aging skin. Better circulation delivers more oxygen to your hungry skin cells. This simple habit takes less than 2 minutes each single day. You can also use it on your neck and your hands. These areas often show the first signs of thinning and aging. Watch as your skin transforms from fragile to firm and glowing. Natural healing is often found in the most simple home ingredients. Start your 7-day challenge tonight for beautiful, resilient skin. Thank you for joining us on this journey to healthier skin. Try this olive oil remedy for the next 7 days. Comment below and let us know your amazing skin results. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast for more natural healing secrets. Your path to vibrant health starts with these simple steps. We will see you in the next video very soon.